If you are looking for help with your Elementor website, make sure you take a look at the new Elementor Experts platform. Elementor Experts is an extensive directory of leading web creators with the vast range of skills from all over the world, ready to help you with things like training, custom code, templates, SEO, marketing, and even full website builds. But before you hand over your username and password, make sure you create them their own user account to help keep your site safe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user in WordPress. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Mick the WordPress Mentor. I help DIY website creators to succeed with WordPress using Elementor. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be alerted when I add new videos. First, you need to find an Elementor expert, reach out to them, and when you have hired them, you need to create a login. For this demo, I'm going to pick Ryan Hudson. Now, log into your website. From the sidebar menu in your WordPress dashboard, click on Users and select Add New. Now it's time to fill out the details for your expert. Add a username, use something relating to them, add their email address, add their first name. Next, add a password. You can use the auto-generated one WordPress provides for you. Just make sure you copy it and save it for later. Most important thing is you need to add them as the administrator in the role settings. Now click the Add New User button and then you're all done. All you need to do now is send the details to your expert, and when they are done, simply remove the account. Thanks for watching. For a detailed walkthrough, please be sure to check my blog post. The link is in the description below. Cheers, Mick.